Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade custard. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, whole milk, granulated sugar, and a good quality vanilla extract. Using whole milk is key for achieving that rich, creamy texture we all love. Remember to separate your egg yolks carefully, as they are crucial for the custard's smooth and velvety consistency. This foundational step sets the stage for a perfect dessert. Now, let's move on to mixing and tempering. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar together until the mixture becomes light in color and creamy. Meanwhile, gently heat your milk and vanilla extract in a saucepan over medium heat until it's just simmering, not boiling. The crucial step is tempering. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk into the egg mixture while continuously whisking. This prevents the eggs from scrambling and ensures a smooth custard base. With your tempered mixture ready, it's time to cook and thicken the custard. Return the entire mixture to the saucepan and cook over low to medium-low heat. Stir constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula, making sure to scrape the bottom and sides of the pan. The custard is done when it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. It should not boil, as this can cause it to curdle. Patience is key for a perfectly smooth and luscious custard. Once your custard is cooked, for an extra smooth finish, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until fully set. This allows the flavors to meld and the custard to firm up beautifully. Serve it plain or with fresh berries. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.